What's up guys, it's Christian coming at you with another video. And in today's video I'm either going to be proving or busting a common household cell phone myth. For years, me and everybody has been told that if you drop your phone in water and it gets water damage, all you have to do to fix it is put it in some rice overnight and it'll be fixed. Well, today I'm going to be testing that. So right here I have a working iPhone. And I'll be submerging it in water until it powers down and then putting it in rice to see if it turns back on. So here's the iPhone. I'm going to be filling this tub up with water and throwing the phone in there, waiting until it powers off, and then putting it in rice and seeing if that fixes it. Alright, so I've got the tub filled up with water. I'm going to throw the iPhone in there and time-lapse it until it shuts down. Here goes the iPhone, and I'm going to time-lapse it until it turns off. So the phone just turned off. I'm going to dry it off a little bit first. And as you can see, holding the power button, it will not turn on. That didn't take long. So I'm going to find out how to open this like I always have you. I'm going to open this bag of Mahatma extra long grain enriched rice. Hey! Aroma #1 cooker brand! Alright, so now that we're done examining the rice, premium grade A rice, I'm going to throw the phone in. And I'm going to leave the phone in here overnight to see if it still works in the morning. So it's been about 8 to 9 hours, 8.5, and the phone's been sitting in the rice, and I'm going to take it out, see if it turns off. It's completely dry. No moisture coming out. Let's see if it turns on. Wow, would you look at that? It actually works. That's amazing. Alright guys, there you have it. Putting your wet phone in rice will save it and fix the water damage. If you liked the video, leave a like. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like it. And keep doing you guys.